I think you are something special. I take you on a shopping spree.
Hey y'all, tonight coming back at you with another video. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to do butterfly locks with the spring twist hair. So I'm partnering with Youngther Store hair, and they sent me their spring twist hair. So in the pack, you get 6 packs of spring twist hair, a crochet needle, some jewelry, and also 2 clips, which I thought was neat because I needed these clips. So yeah, let's get into this hair, y'all. Y'all see how thick the strands are? Like, it's nothing like this, okay? So I went through so many Amazon hairs, spring twist hairs, and they're always waxy or hard to break apart. But y'all see how fluffy this hair is? It was just so fluffy. Like, I love it. And y'all, this hair is only $18.69, and you get 6 packs, y'all. Y'all need to jump on it like now, in a hurry. But so yeah, so it's the same technique I use as the water wave hair, but I kind of like this better. It's just more fluffy and more textured looking. So yeah, I alternated between the thumb method and also just wrapping just straight, because this hair has so much, you know, texture to it that you could just wrap straight. You don't have to use the thumb method if you're not comfortable with it. So yeah, I did alternate just to show y'all how it looks. So yeah, enough chat. I'll just talk to y'all when y'all see the finished product.
Ryan Little.
All right, y'all. So that is it. If y'all hear some noise in the background, my siblings are watching SpongeBob. But this is the final look. So if you did watch my previous butterfly lock tutorial, comment down below which hair technique do you like the best. Like, do y'all like free twist water wave hair, or do you like spring twist hair for your butterfly locks? Just let me know down below in the description box. But that's it, y'all. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch y'all in my next video. Peace out.